Hey everybody, my name is Eliot Bennett. I'm the CFO and one of the 3 co-founders at Ecotone Renewables. Let me show you a quick tour of our ZEUS biodigester here at Plant City X in Warwick, Rhode Island. So this is where the magic happens. Our customer, Plant City X staff, they throw their food waste in. From the holding tank, it gets fed into the grinding station. From the grinding station, it goes into the dosing tank, and the dosing tank into the stomach. The stomach acts very similar to how the human body breaks down food with all the healthy gut microbacteria. And from there, we're extracting the methane and biogas for renewable energy and extracting an organic liquid plant fertilizer that we call soil sauce. Soil sauce is sold online and also right here in store. So we would love for you to come out, check us out, get some soil sauce, use it on your houseplants, gardens, and for anything you might need.